What's up, YouTube? It's good to be back. Sorry for the lack of content, but I've been busy building a lifestyle brand, and I'm thinking I want to include the process in this channel. I want my channel to grow into more than just documenting my build, but make videos involving my interests to keep me motivated with this endeavor. Don't get it twisted, I'm still making videos on my BRZ, but it's not going to be the typical path of build videos. But anyway, let's continue this video by unboxing my new aerial kit. Here we have it, YouTube. The Aeroflow Dynamics lip kit. We got the front splitter. I believe it's the V7 with the V7 side skirts. And the rear, I would say rear spats. I think this is the version 1 though. You see the front lip is made out of black metal. This is the split from Aerial Dynamics, by the way. You can hear it's metal, it's not plastic. Look at that. This is all metal, guys. What I hate about the plastic ones, if they're just long and skinny like these, it will warp in the sun because of the heat. So I imagine this metal will keep its rigidity and look out in the sun. Alright guys, here is it all laid out. Side skirt and front splitter with rear spats. Like I said, it's just the V7s. I think it's called V7s. Side and front lip. Here's all the hardware. Some regular bolts. So supposedly it is all drilled specifically where it's supposed to go. And if you guys watched my earlier videos, I have my underglow on. So before we put these on, we have to take that off. So I'll just go ahead and do that off camera and then get back on camera if I'm installing these today. Alright, catch you in one bit. Okay, the easiest thing we can do first is install these spats for the diffuser. So the big side is where the back is and the small side is the front. All we have to do is remove these pop clips right here and install them through those holes. Right? Let's do it. Alright. Let's line them up. Just like that. It's done. Pretty sturdy too. Okay, I'll just go ahead and do the other side, and yeah. Next, we'll do the front splitter or the side skirts. I'll probably do it tomorrow because I'm running out of time and I have to go to work. Alright, see you tomorrow, guys. Alright guys, it's day 2. We're gonna go ahead and take off the front bumper and install the front lip today. And hopefully we'll get to the side skirts. If not, I'll save it for tomorrow. Okay, got the hood propped up, and I'm assuming we have to take all these nuts and pop clips out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I think we have to take these out too. Alright, now we have to remove some plastic clips. I'm not sure which ones. Let's just try to take all of them off, I guess. Got the bumper off. You just have to unclip this from the side markers. Alright guys, I got it mocked up on the bumper right now. Looks pretty sick. Damn. Don't forget to take out this thing in the middle. That's inside the bumper, or else you can't drill and put the bolts on. I just noticed that. So I didn't have any clamps, and I used something from a jumper cable. So don't try this at home. Alright guys, there's no turning back. to go very slow so you don't make any mistakes, and triple check, you know, making sure it's not shifting or anything. So I got it all drilled in right here, and now I'm gonna tighten them up. It's a 11mm nut. Oh, everything is buttoned up, and I think it's ready to go on the car, guys. So I managed to get the black piece back in. I just used a rubber mallet and just hanged it back right in place. Yeah, so we're not leaving any parts out. And we're gonna put it back on the car now. Let's go. What's up, guys? It's day 3 and we're gonna continue with the side skirt install. I believe this is the V7. Can't remember. But that's what we're doing today. Here's a tip, guys. Use a jack to help you install this side skirt. See how it holds it up for you? Then use your other hand and drill that hole right there. Full send, guys. Not bad, not bad. It's attached. Feels sturdy enough, so no one steps on it. But yeah. So got this side done. I'm gonna do the right side of the car now. Maybe I'm probably time lapse it or just do it off camera, but I'm gonna do that right now.